Alright, I got my forge going. Just burning up a bunch of scrap wood here. Yeah, I got a huge pile of it, might as well get rid of it in here. I have a file here that I've already annealed. I'm going to make like a chisel gouge type tool. After letting the gouge cool down nice and slow, took my grinder, shaped it, put a fairly decent edge on it, not too sharp. Shaped it just the way I wanted to. I always like to put some grooves on this part, so when I put the handle on, it just has a bit more bite. So what I'm going to do now is heat this up again, put a curve on the blade, and then shape it some more. So while my steel is heating up, I'm trying to decide on what kind of handle I want to put on it. I have a nice piece of birch that's been drying for a few years, but the ends have started to check on it, so I can't use that. I have a handle I made from oak and maple, a laminate type of handle. Have a table leg with a brass collar, thinking about that. I have a short handle with a collar or a long handle with a collar. I want to pick the right handle that's going to suit the tool and be practical at the same time. So I'm going to think about that while my steel heats up. So I decided to go with this handle and this collar. I think it just suits the tool the best. You know, my second choice probably would have been this one, but it just, you know, it's way too big. This looks kind of silly. turned out pretty good. I still, one day, if it starts to break apart on the end, I might put a ring on it like this one here. Just wanted to quickly show one more thing I was working on today. It started out as a 4-prong cultivator, but it was just giving me too much grief. And I tried filming 2 videos at the same time, it just wasn't working, so I finished up this project without the camera on. I still got quite a bit of work to do on this. You know, sharpen these tines, spray paint it, all that kind of stuff, but I wanted to quickly share that with you guys. I got some rebar. I'm going to try making a garden tool.